Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to game share on Xbox. Firstly, turn on your Xbox and press the Xbox button on your controller to open the dashboard. Select the Profile and System tab, then choose Add or Switch. If the account you want to share games from is already logged in, just select it. If not, click Add New and enter the login details. You'll need your friend's login info if you're sharing games from their account. After logging in, tap the Xbox button again and go back to the Profile and System tab. Choose the account whose games you want to access. This would typically be your friend's account if you're sharing games. Now open the settings and go to the General tab, then choose Personalization. Scroll down and select My Home Xbox. This will open a menu where you can set your console as the home Xbox for that account. To make this your home Xbox, hit the button and you might be asked to enter a password for security, so make sure to enter it if prompted. Once done, your console is now set to be the home Xbox for that account, allowing you to access their games. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.